Good afternoon, everyone. This is Pastor Mark Dickerson from the Journey Church Amazing Life Campus. I wanted to take a few minutes and invite you and your family and everybody you know out to a very special service that we're holding at our campus this upcoming Sunday. The Journey Church Amazing Life Campus has been established, I believe, in this time to be a bridge of cultures, to be a bridge of different thought processes and different people groups to win the lost for Christ. So with that being said, and with all that's going on in the media right now, this upcoming Sunday we have just changed everything about our Sunday morning service, and we are going to invite police officers and representatives from the Sheriff's Department and different community representatives to come out and be with us as we stand, as we talk, as we dialogue, and as we pray, and then get up off of our knees and take actions towards doing what we can to make a better future for our children, for their children, and for this nation. If you're not busy this Sunday at 10 o'clock, I'd love to see you there. Listen, you don't want to miss this. We're going to have free food afterwards. We're going to have an after party in our parking lot. Share this with as many people as you know. Share this with all of your family and friends. Let them know this Sunday morning, 10 o'clock. Now, don't leave your church for our church, but if your church is doing something before ours or you have a later service, please join us this upcoming Sunday at 10 o'clock, 14051 Beach Boulevard in the Regal Theater. Get there early. Seating is limited and it will be packed. So bring your family out, come and share this time with us, and let us all figure out how we can get skin deep and make a change in this world. Thank you. Hope to see you then. Have a great day.